Hey, welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I have a beautiful new arrival to show you. It's a 2025 Harris 250 Solstice. This boat is in the midnight blue with the metallic silver accent. I've also done the black fence rails on this boat. It's got the tower up top and the forward bimini. Something unique about this particular boat is it's powered with the Mercury single engine joystick in conjunction with the 300 horsepower outboard. Makes docking a breeze. Let's hop aboard and check out some of the interior features. All right, welcome aboard this 250 Solstice. A couple notable things on the back of this boat. We've done the ski tow bar here with the safety chains that go across here to allow you to face backwards while you're riding. This boat's also got the lily pad easy step ladder with the leash. It's got a super nice wide tread here, and it's an awesome upgrade for the 2025 model year. Follow me inside. This boat is in the SLDH layout. This is one of our more popular layouts. It's SL, so we've got the sun lounger back here. It's a 3-position lounger, so you can go this way, you can go all the way flat as well. Something unique to the Solstice is this flip up little backrest here, so you can go forward facing as well. All SL and SLDH boats are gonna have a cooler here in this corner. We've got our owner's pack in there right now. This boat's also got the battery charger, JL audio remote, USB and USB-C, as well as a 12-volt plug, all back here on the sun pad. Follow me further into the boat here. Again, we've got our dual helm chairs as part of that SLDH dual helm. Both swivel slide and recline. Got nice flip up armrests on both. This boat, being a Solstice, again has the raised helm platform that you see here. Also done the upgraded steering wheel as part of the upgrade packages on this boat, including the Deluxe Tech 2 with the twin Simrad screens. A lot of customers will put a screen with their map on one and their engine data on the other. Can kind of customize it to your liking. Also done the JL audio upgrade on this boat, so you've got your head unit here and several speakers throughout the boat. It's a killer audio system. Over here on the right, you've got some controls for things like your lights, your docking lights, underwater lights, your horn, all that kind of stuff. You've got your Mercury digital throttle and shift for your 300 and your thruster control for your Mercury single engine joystick. Also got a little glove box down here with a wireless phone charger and several USB ports down below. This boat's also got the flip up table option over here on the port side. So really easy to flip up, super convenient to put away to access your door. Over here, got a nice wide door on all these Harris models. Really good accessibility. Up forward a little further, this boat has the optional center locker. Got the cover stuffed in here right now. This does have a bilge pump in it and is the largest locker in the industry. You got plenty of room for tubes, skis, things like that. Fit great in there. Another couple things on the Solstice. This boat has flip down armrests up forward here on both sides with cup holders in them. Also got plenty of storage up under the seats here with this tilt mechanism. It's all drain storage. Got these corners that flip up as well. This boat's also got 4 cup holders on either side up forward with USB chargers, and all of the cup holders on this boat have RGB lighting in them that syncs up with the out exterior lighting and the interior lighting. If you like this boat and want to check it out, give us a call. Check us out at MarineMax.com or stop by our showroom and we'll be happy to show you more. Thanks for watching.